Once you've restored your wood, you'll use feed and wax to maintain your newly restored finish and to keep it looking its best. Let me show you how to maintain your restored pieces with feed and wax. Feed and wax has been developed to be the perfect follow-up to restore a finish, to maintain and preserve the beauty of your restored finish. It's also the perfect conditioner for any wood surface, both old and new. Feed and wax enhances the natural beauty and depth of the grain on all your woods, finished or unfinished, by using the power of real orange oil along with the finest waxes available. The natural oils feed the wood, enhancing the grain and preventing drying and cracking. Your wood is provided with a durable coating that protects the surface from water and other possible damage to the finish. This is an oak table with a very dry surface. We're going to generously apply feed and wax to a cloth and wipe it onto the surface. This unique blend of oils and waxes is feeding the dry wood and enhancing the wood grain, while leaving a protective coat of beeswax and carnauba wax on the surface. Feed and wax works best when you let the oils penetrate the surface for 20 minutes or so. The feed and wax has had a chance to work into the wood surface. Now it's time to simply wipe it dry and buff it out with a soft cloth. Remember, generously apply feed and wax to a soft cloth and wipe on and wipe dry 20 minutes later. You'll use feed and wax every month or so whenever the finish looks faded or dry.